Hi, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Beth and this is Cat Lady Budgets. Today I'm doing games for my game binder, and these are all collabs with other creators. So and this whole binder, games binder, all the money is going towards my home maintenance emergency fund. So I play with $50. I got 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope your allergies aren't bothering you as much as they're bothering me with all this wind. So let's see. The first collab is from Shades Budgets and Cash Countess Court. It is a Mama Needs a Vacay collab, and I'm almost done, so I'm just going to finish it today. So I have $1 for here, and then 1 here, so that's 2, 4, so that's 4, 5, 6, 8, and then $9, and then we have 1 here, and we'll just skip that one. So that's $10 to finish this one up. So it was actually a lot of fun. I may do it again. So let's see how much we saved. We saved 20, 30, 40, 45. Oops, saved a lot. 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 69. So I will write that here. 69, and it just goes in the back. And I'll clip this together, and then for next time I have another game, so let me show you. Okay, so I'm gonna do the Big Bad Savings, and it's going to feature Blessed Budget by Abigail. We'll just go over this next week, but there's quite a few. So we'll just put the dashboard in here, and we'll start that next week. Next, I have the Great Taco Race from Snow Gardener 307. Last time we put sour cream on our taco, so we'll scratch this. Looks like $5 for hot sauce. And then we'll do this one. So the price per taco is $3. So we'll add that. So the front of this one is finished. So we do have the back, so we'll do the back next time. But we will take out, we'll just transfer this money to the back. So this saved us, scoot you up a smidge, 20, 30, 40, 45, $48. The next one we have the Skellie Run from Craft Co Budgets. I think this isn't her big Skellie book. She just came out with like a 2.0. This was like an oopsie. I don't know why it was an oopsie, but so we left off on 4. So 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll do 1 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we saved $3 this week. Make sure to mark that. We have 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $56 saved already. Next is a collab with a Cheyenne at Simply Made and Lil's at Lil's World. So let me grab it. I thought I had it, but okay. So we left off on an icon last time, which was $5. So 1, 2 says roll again. 1. So we did $2. And I'll go one more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Of course, we always land on icon for $5. We'll stop there. Let me mark that. And so 10, 15, 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, $31 so far. I want to make sure I have enough for all my stuff, so let me look. Okay. Next is the Lucky Birds collab. Looks like it's with Michelle at Ladybug Budgets, Haley Rain, Angela Marie 888, Joe at CBA Mom Saves, Jan at Country Girl Budgets, Courtney at Nurse Court Budgets, Missy at Pilar's Savings, and Alexis from Diet Outlaw Games and Budget. And I think it started off at 3. 1, 2, 3. So $2. And we'll go one more. 1. So it says I save $5. Okay. Because it says roll, die, and save. So we saved 7. We just started this, but we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $10. And then last we have Purr Save from Budget with Tiffany. Let me get another die. So we'll do the blue for the top and then the regular one for the bottom. So 3 and 4. So that's $1. Oops, that fell. 6. Okay, a lot of these are done, but 6 and 4. 3 and we just did that one. Okay, 2 and 3. That's another $1, so that's 2. 2 and 5 we already have. 4 and 1. Okay, so 4. 4 and 5. Okay. So 4 is done, and that's 4. So we have 6 total. I have 5. Let's see if I have ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. I feel like we should go. Let's go one more. 1 and 6. 3. 1 and 3. Okay, so that's $3. So we are almost done. $20, $30. Oops. 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. So what's $1? We will do this one. So I put another $1 in. So next week we might just finish because we've got, so $2, $3, 7, 8, 10, 14, 16, 23, 24, 26, maybe not. Apparently my rolls left me all the high dollar ones, so. Okay, so the last $5 always goes into my catch-all. And what is my catch-all? Oh, it is part of my horse series. I got a mixture of tinies. So let's go ahead and do this one and just do the 5. And let's put all of our money together and see what I've got in there. 20s. Okay, so I have $300 in the bank, and then I have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 400, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 500, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I'm going to put this 200 in the bank, change out my placeholder to 500. I can't believe it, just playing these games. $50 a week really adds up. And then we'll just put this in here. So that's all I have for you for my games, for my collabs. And I'll see you tomorrow for my minis and my tinies. Have a great day. Bye.